Hey, how's it going? G-Money here. Back to rant at my camera about some absolute nonsense. Yeah, we're gonna put the car in summer mode because it's not winter yet. It was snowing yesterday. I had to throw it into winter mode. That's inconvenient. I hate the snow. I wish it didn't snow in Canada. I don't know why the fuck it snows anyways. We don't need snow. Why can't everything just grow all year long and die? Just grow and die, grow and die. I don't mind if it gets a little colder like October weather, but snow in October? Come the fuck on. We gotta go put some gas in the whip. We're at like a half-quarter tank, an eighth of the tank. But this rant is basically just gonna be about, I don't know, man. Not really too fucking sure. I haven't smoked a bong in quite a while. I've been doing really good trying to quit the weed. I got rid of my bong. Just so you know, it's serious. I can't smoke bongs at home anymore. We're cruising today. Gonna go head up the gym, living a healthy life. I love the gym, man. It's such good stress relief. Gets your aggression out, gives you something to do. And by the end of it, you don't want to feel shit anymore. You're just like, fuck, let's go hit the gym, get some stress out. And by the end, you're just stress-free. Worked it all out. That's why I do it. And it's nice to look good. Look good, feel good. That's how it goes. Oh, if you guys are having any troubles with women, don't worry about it, man. I think I'm pretty set up. I'm a very nice, kind guy. I treat women with respect. I don't do anything bad or crazy. But men have given such a bad name to themselves that women don't trust us anymore. You know, you ask to take them out on a date. I've been rejected 12 times in a row now. Me, I got a Benz. I got a nice bank account. Like, what? I work out every fucking day, and no girl will go on a date with me just because you fucking men have fucked it up. I hate to tell you, but you're assholes. You're complete fucking assholes. Wreck it for all of us. That's what you do. Now I just want to take one girl out on a date, and I can't even do that. COVID might be the issue here, but really, I think it's you fucking nasty men. Playing the women, cheating on them, raping them, stealing, pillaging. Hey, fuck you. If I catch you being a rapist, I'm gonna throw you in a pool of acid. Straight up. We don't fuck with no pedophiles in this life. Pedophile killer right here. I even catch a whiff that you're doing something like that, I will snap your fucking neck. Straight up. You don't do that shit. You love everybody in this world. Love, appreciation, respect. That's what you should have for people. Any individual born into this world, you should respect. We're all in this together, man. This is a challenge. This is like the boss fight, man. We're on level 100 here, living our own lives. If you don't think you've lived a previous life before this, you're wrong. Your brain is so complicated and developed that we have lived so many past lives, we're gonna live another life after this life. That's just what I believe, at least. But yeah, we can't be doing all that bad stuff, man. It'll come back on you. Karma. Karma's a bitch, as they say. Yeah. I don't know, life's a struggle right now. Oh, sorry about that. Camera bump, bumpity bump. Should have put that winter suspension on. Yeah, life's a struggle right now. COVID, I've applied to 6 or 7 places now, and I haven't got one call back in a month. I'm running out of money, bro. Why the fuck is the government doing me like this? Come on. It's a fuck situation trying to find work over COVID. But hey, a wise man once said, it's not about how hard you can hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and stand back up and keep fighting. So that's where we're at right now. We're just going to keep on fighting. Like I said, I've been losing with the girls. I've been losing with the work situation. But my family life, on point. I take care of my family. I do good. I respect others. So I'm a happy individual, you know? That's all you gotta ask for. Cruising with G. I don't know if anybody watches these, but I know a few people actually like them, so shout out to you guys. I'm trying to make them about 10 minutes long each. Nothing too much to sit through, just a little bit of advice. But like I said, if you learn one thing from this, that's all I want. Just learn one thing. everybody can teach you something. I hope I can teach somebody something, you know? Even if I'm a little older than you, I've been there, I've done that. I haven't had anything handed to me. I have worked hard for everything that I've gotten. Didn't come easy, that's for sure. You know, I've slept in car, I've been sleeping in my car over the winter. I got in a little fight with my parents. I would recommend you don't do that, but that was my own fault. I had a place to stay. They said I could come home, but I said, nah, I'm gonna be my own man. I'm gonna sleep in my car. I wanted more. But you gotta realize material things aren't worth it. That's not the more you're looking for in your life. Let's see if we can hit a little exhaust clip here. It sounds beautiful on the camera. This camera has good sound quality, actually. Oh yeah. Just the smile this car brings me, I love it. Love it every time. Something I find kind of weird is my ex-girlfriends get boyfriends so quickly after they leave me. Or I break up with them usually, but usually it's like 50-50. Then they get boyfriends so quick after. It's like, what? I don't get that. You don't need a little bit of you time in there? You're just gonna hop from one to the next? Like, fuck you. I need some me time. I'm an individual who needs me time. I've been taking about 8 or 9 months off now. But at the same time, I don't want no fucking STDs. Sure, I'd like to have sex with women, but I don't want no STDs. Fuck that shit. I'm trying to stay clean. I'm a clean guy. We don't need none of that dirty shit. Girls come up and be like, oh, I've slept with over 50 guys. Yeah, he can fuck off. Walk that way. I'm not trying to get no fucking yeast infection, STI, STDs. No. I'm at 6 or 7 girls now, you know. Maybe 8 or 9. What are you doing, you crackhead? Get into the fucking road. UK, bruv. Hey, tubular. You good? Hey, open the door, yeah? My window doesn't roll down. What's up?
You give me a ride to town?
Yeah, let's go. Hop in. I just seen you standing here. I was like, what? What's this guy up to? Yeah, hop in. I don't mind.
You pull in there for 1 second?
Yeah, that works.
Thanks. Right over there.
Yeah, that works.
Thanks.
Alright, we're giving a crackhead a ride to town. We'll see how this goes. It happens, it happens. Oh, good, yeah. Oh, I guess he lives here. Alright, well, we're gonna help this guy out, man. I have so much trust in people. Like, I just picked a crackhead up off the side of the road and we're about to give him a ride into town. Griffin gets himself into situations here, bud. But I won't let that guy stand there, man. It's getting cold out. I'm not letting him walk to town. You can hop in the Benz, bro. We got a heated seat. Let's fucking go. I'm on my way. Maybe I'll ask him for a smoke. I'm all out. That's what's up. We'll see how this one goes. I don't know if he wants to be recorded or not, but I'm gonna tell him he's on live chat just so he doesn't fuck around or do anything like that. Yeah, that's just doing your part, being a good Samaritan. Alright, lads. That's it, basically. I'm gonna have to call it there, but yeah, perfect.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem. I was just heading there. I'm just on live chat here. I'll cut it off. Alright, peace out.